So here we have Callitropsis nootkatensis, or Alaska yellow cedar. And we can tell that we're in the Cupressaceae family because we have these scale-like leaves and our bark is shreddy and fibrous. So our Callitropsis nootkatensis can grow anywhere up to 100 feet tall. And the crown is pendulous or drooping, much like our tsuga or our hemlocks. So that drooping leader combined with the scale-like leaves is a very strong clue that we're looking at our Callitropsis nootkatensis. If we look more closely at the tree, we'll notice that the foliage is borne in these long, flat, drooping sprays. And each one of those sprays will actually fall as a complete spray when that foliage dies. If we look more closely at these scale-like leaves, we'll notice that they are borne in decussate or opposite pairs, and that there is no stomatal bloom on the underside of those scales. The cones are another key identifying characteristic for our Callitropsis nootkatensis, and they have peltate scales, almost shield-shaped and fairly smooth, with prominent points on each scale. Really important to note that these cones will also not burst open like some of the other cones that we'll see in the Cupressaceae family. So again, the peltate scales with those prominent points, key characteristic of the cones. So our Callitropsis nootkatensis prefers cool, moist, fairly well-drained sites. It ranges from southeast Alaska through western Oregon and Washington down into northern California. In Alaska, it ranges from about 0 to 3,000 feet in elevation. Here in Oregon, it ranges anywhere from 2,000 to 7,500 feet. So we're here at about 3,900 feet here at Government Camp with our Callitropsis nootkatensis. You will sometimes find this in pure stands, but it may often be mixed with high elevation conifers in the south and Sitka spruce, western hemlock, and western red cedar in the north. It's moderately shade tolerant, but that tolerance varies with the age and the site conditions. The wood is actually fairly durable, but it has a fairly obnoxious odor when it's first cut. It smells a little bit moldy actually when first cut. It's often used for furniture, cabinets, canoe paddles, and boat hulls.